To start this problem, I drew two rectangular prisms, and then I just labeled them 0.8 meters with the dimensions that they gave me. And it really didn't matter if one was length or width or height, just as long as I used all of the dimensions once. And they want us to compare the volume in centimeters cubed. What I did was I found the volume of each shape first, and then I converted it to centimeters cubed. What you could have done was convert each dimension to centimeters when you started and then compared. So either one. I'll show you what I did in this first case to find the volume of that rectangular prism. I know it's length times width times height. So I use 0.8 meters times 0.6 times 0.6. So it gave me a volume of 0.288 meters cubed. Now, I converted that to centimeters cubed by remembering that to convert from meters to centimeters, I have to multiply by a factor of 10 squared. And then I accounted for the fact that this is a three-dimensional shape by cubing my conversion factor. So that really makes that a 6. So 0.288 times 10 to the 6th power. And what that gives me is 288,000 centimeters cubed. So that's the volume of the first box. And in the second case, I'm going to do the same thing, and I did it in feet to start off with. So the volume is 2.5 times 2 times 2, which came out 10 feet cubed. Now, I'm using the conversion factor they gave me, centimeters to inches, so 2.54 centimeters to inches is 1 inch. Now, to convert feet to centimeters, I'm going to have to convert from feet to inches and then to centimeters. So I took my 10 feet cubed, and I first converted that to inches by saying 12 inches is the same as 1 foot. And then I converted it to centimeters by saying 2.54 centimeters is 1 inch. So it's two-step conversion. And don't forget that both of your conversion factors get cubed because we're dealing with 3 dimensions here. So that's going to be 10 feet cubed. And then just cube each thing here. So I get 1728 inches cubed over top of 1 foot cubed. And in the last one I get, just leave a few decimals here, 16.3, I'll write 387. But actually in my calculator I kept 0.387064 over 1 inch cubed. That's an I, not an 11. And what you'll see is that your units cancel out. So feet cubed in the numerator and the denominator. This is an IN, inches cubed, those cancel each other out. And I'm left with 283,168.4659 centimeters cubed. So they want you to say which one has a greater volume and by how much. Well, if you have a look, the first box has a greater volume, and to determine how much, I just subtracted the two numbers, and I determined it was more by 4,831 point, depending on where you rounded to, 5 centimeters cubed.